Ke BJP ha Meghalaya kadang penklan gilat kelenti kenang balwanra ya ke sarkar ke bayalam da ke BJP ha ke jela ha ke senam arhajar akupra. Unang ilam bad MLA ke seng uba AL hek ulapan pau ke jing ngos kem bah ke senam arhajar akupra kan lo ke senam ke bansa kan mau ha ke ba ke seng kene kun klem dadan kan no ke jing so nak alliance bagi wei pat ke seng haswa ke election. Halor ka kam bantung yu presiden batmai jong keseng ha jela uba el hek ule penchai bakarai barok ka syong ha jing start bat ka bor jigi nong yalam kibana Delhi. Haba pai pat chiki election menjet nong mi kemat ha ka election shteng samoy kabang temu ban salong no shen. Uba el hek mlo kedo halor ka jing slam ban penmenai ukurtong nomor ke election kadang sa sakumbasan nen rubenai Ula kedo bakapor kababiang man penkre kalong kumalai ne sobna bara wakmi ka tarik bankut kabahap aga arpu tarik unai wiang ula penskam bagaseng karang ya te kapor kababiang bat kabati kena ban pen bit pen biang bat ban pen bena ya ukur tong jongka
Stand clearly in 2028 the BJP-led government will be in Meghalaya. That's very clear stance.
And you will be the leader.
No, that the party, national party, will choose who will be the leader. But I am telling you again, I again reiterate it, that in 2028 it will be a BJP-led government in Meghalaya.
BJP will go alone in the polls.
It will go alone. Will not go with any other, no pre-poll alliance with any political party.
But will the BJP fight under the same state president or there will be change?
That is depend on that national decision. I will not be able to tell you anything about the national decision. See, at the beginning, of course, they had told me to contest for this by-election, but I said that I'm still in one to have so many other responsibility to complete. That's why I'm not going to contest.
BJP,
So, but now depend on the party what decision they'll take. I have proposed his name. Let's see whatever the national party feel fit to declare whose name to contest. So we have to accept, and we are going to fight very strongly. We have still another maybe 5-6 months to have the elections, not delay. So 3 months is, I think, 3-4 months is good enough to prepare for the by-elections. I'm not talking about the general election, but at least the by-election.